Hey guys, so I just finished my 8 hours of work. I am so ready to go home. It is absolutely gloomy outside. I would wish to show you guys and show you guys, but the sun is popping out. But you see how cloudy it is? Yeah, it's absolutely cloudy in here. I think it's gonna be storming pretty soon. It's probably starting tonight. So it went from 72 degrees and they said it's gonna stay that way, but it is now, I'll show you guys, 55 degrees outside, and it's really windy too, so that is not fun. But I'm gonna head home and I can't wait to see my dogs and see what they're up to, because they're huge troublemakers for me whenever I come home. But I'm so excited to show you guys what my dogs are and introduce them as well for you guys. All right, see you guys at home. Hey guys, so I got home a few minutes ago already and I had to clean up because my dogs have their menstrual cycle and I came home to a little bit of a mess. Their diapers were everywhere and I had to clean that up, of course. And now I am boiling some eggs. I'm just gonna eat the white eggs, and then I have ramen. And I know you guys are not really, I mean, you probably do know about it, but I have kimchi. I got this from Walmart. So I'm really excited to try this out. I put it in a Ziploc because it tends to stink out the fridge and I really don't want that. So I'm gonna eat that with the boiled eggs, just the whites, and then with ramen. I'm really excited about this. And it's almost 6 o'clock, so I'm gonna work out for probably for 15 minutes and then I'm going to eat. I should turn this off already. That's done. But like I said to you guys, I'm going to show you guys my babies. This one is Sadie. Sadie, that's her. And like I said, they have a diaper because they are on their cycle. But look, she's going to try to get up now. Hi, baby. Such a cute girl, huh? And then the other one is Cheza. They're all feeling a little under the weather because they are on their cycle and my lighting is really horrible. I'm so sorry guys. Let me turn on the light. Oop, wrong light. But yeah, so they're on their cycle. Hey puppies. Hi baby girl. Oop, too much. See? Hi baby. So this is Cheza. And then that one is Sadie, who's running around. They're very quick when they play. And then she gets really annoyed. And then she does the tantrumness because she didn't get the toy. And I did put stuff on our couch because I really don't want them to go on it with their stuff going on. So we don't want that. But yeah, like I said, I am going to work out for 10 to 15 minutes and then I'm probably going to eat. Eggs are done boiling. So they're done boiling, so I'm gonna put ice all over it and then have it stay for 10 minutes, so that'll give me enough time to work out, and then I can crack those eggs and they should be all set and ready. So I'm pretty excited about that. But yeah, so I'll be right back and I'll show you guys when I'm eating, when it's all done. Okay, so this is the result of what I was trying to make before I worked out. And so it is not the healthiest, especially for this side, but everything else is pretty healthy. So I have like the cucumber, I have the radish, I have the kimchi and the white eggs or the white yolks, whatever you guys want to call that. I always get them confused, the yellow and the white. But yeah, so this is the kimchi that I am going to be eating with the eggs. So I'm really excited to eat this. I already started really like munching on the broccoli and a little bit of the ramen soup. But while I eat this, I'm going to watch YouTube. And so yeah, so after this, I'm probably gonna do my homework and study a little bit and do all that stuff and
I'll probably show a little clip of that as well, but we will see depending on how busy I get. But let me start eating because I'm really hungry and I'm salivating just looking at this through the camera. Okay guys, I'll see you guys in a bit. Let's change the lighting, but I was just doing this practical assessment, which was business chapter 1, which is business of medicine, and these were the questions that was on the workbook, but I printed it out and I did put it on this plastic thing, and I was able to answer it, which I'm going to show you guys in here. I highlighted it in the book as well, like for example, like chapter 10's answers right here, and it was so long that I just put page 21, but other than that, the rest of them I have answered it. So I am really like so happy that I was able to get 100 because I was really contemplating on doing the exam, and I was so scared that I would fail it. I won't know what to expect because it is chapter 1 when it's your first time taking an exam through an online school, but you just never know what the how do you call this, what the exam will be like on the site, which is scary to me because it's chapter 1. I just really want to ace it with 100, and I think everyone is the same way when they have to take their exam. So I'm really happy, guys, to get like 100. So like I'm not gonna try to show my of course my name, but you guys can see it's all green. I am not lying, and it is only chapter 1 in here, so it's 1 to 10. The practical questions are 1 to 10, and I wrote it down. I was not even expecting. I thought I have to type it, which I didn't have to, so I'm kind of happy about that. I really thought that I was going to type it, so I was just dreading it for a minute. But the next one, which is my final for the chapter 1, which I have to do now, it's 2 hours long, so I'm not gonna videotape myself doing the chapter 1 final because it is gonna take 2 hours, and it's already 7:42 p.m. so I want to get it done before at least 10 o'clock so I can get ready for bed and unwind a little bit. But I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys like this video. Gives it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys seen in the video that you guys have a question with. I'll gladly answer your questions down below, and probably in a few days I'm gonna upload the next vlog. I just don't want to be uploading too much, but I will try to upload at least twice a week, and I'll do my best to do that this time because it's a little bit easier. And then after this video and my homework and chapter 1's final, basically I'm gonna go to chapter 2, read a little bit, highlight, make notes, and then after that I'm going to edit this video for today and also my introduction, which you guys will see first, and then this vlog. So yeah, if you guys want to keep on watching and follow with me for the next following videos that I will be uploading, please hit that subscribe button. I don't even know where it is, but please hit the subscribe button and stay with me to whatever vlog that will come next. So hopefully it'll be much more interesting than what I just showed you today. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys later. Bye.